What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video for the PlayStation 5. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 really easy PS5 secret features and life hacks that are actually pretty genius and worth trying. If you're someone who's brand new to the PS5, then I think you'll definitely find these tips useful and interesting, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Tip number 1 is for logging into your PlayStation 5 without letting your friends know that you're online. Simply press the options button before logging in and select Appear Offline. You can also change this setting in the control center by selecting your user icon and then choose online status. Number 2 will make it much easier for you to navigate the PS5 main dashboard. Instead of using the directional arrows to access the search and settings feature, you can simply press the triangle button on your DualSense controller to get directly to these features. It's definitely a lot quicker, and if you do it enough times, it will eventually become muscle memory. Number 3 is really great if you want a quick and easy way to temporarily mute all pop-up notifications on your PS5. Simply access the PS5 control center and then select notifications and then enable the do not disturb option. I gotta say, I really like this new feature, and if you haven't tried it already, I definitely recommend it. Number 4 is a secret way to completely mute all of the audio on your PlayStation 5. All you gotta do is just hold down the microphone mute button on the DualSense controller until it begins to flash. When you're ready to unmute, just press it again and all of your in-game audio will come back once more. Last but not least, number 5 is basically a must for anyone who uses an external hard drive with the PlayStation 5. Just make sure your hard drive is connected and then go into your settings, then select storage, and then choose extended storage. What you'll notice is that there's actually a feature to always install PS4 games to your extended storage device. In my opinion, this feature is absolutely genius because it basically ensures that your PS5 SSD won't be wasted by PS4 games that don't necessarily require the faster performance. So I definitely recommend keeping this feature enabled at all times. But there you guys have it. Now you know some of the secret features of the new PlayStation 5. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.